All right, now we're going to look at some problems, application problems involving rational equations. And one of the types of problems that we'll encounter has to do with working together. So if you know how long it takes person A to do a job and how long it takes person B to do a job, we can find how long it takes them working together, or vice versa. If we know how long it takes them working together and we know what one person's time is in terms of the other, they work 2 hours slower or whatever, we can figure this out. So we're given this little model, 1 over A plus 1 over B equals 1 over T. A is the time needed for A to complete the work alone, and B is the time needed for B to complete the work alone, and T is the time needed for A and B to complete the work together. So the whole idea is like, let's say, for example, person A takes 2 hours to do the job, person B takes 3 hours. The whole idea with this model is that so if person A takes 2 hours, that means they do half of the job in 1 hour, right? Or half of the job per hour. And person B would do a third of the job in an hour, and if you add up those rates, then you would get the rate of the job that would be done in an hour if they were working together. So we could solve this for T. So let's do an example. Tara can finish a puzzle in 15 hours. It takes Carly 10 hours to complete the same puzzle. Working together, how long will it take them to complete the puzzle? Okay, so with this working together model that we were just looking at, the 1 over A plus 1 over B equal to 1 over T. I know that A in this case would be 15 hours, right? The time it takes Tara to complete the puzzle. The time it takes Carly to complete the puzzle would be 10 hours, so B would be 10. T is what I'm looking for, right? It's the working together time. And that's what the problem is asking for. Working together, how long will it take them to complete the puzzle? So if I have 1 over 15 plus 1 over 10 equal to 1 over T, and I solve that for T, I should have it, right? Okay, so what is the LCD there? What's the first number that we get to that both 15 and 10 will divide? I think it's 30, right? So our LCD here is 30T, right? If I look at all those denominators. So I'm going to multiply both of those denominators by 30T. So we've got 30T over 15 plus 30T over 10, right? Because I have to distribute that to each of the numerators here. And then over here, T cancels, and I'm just left with 30. All right, so clean it up, because when we're done here, we shouldn't have any fractions left over. 30 over 15 is 2, so I've got 2T plus 3T, right? 30 over 10 equal to 30. 2T plus 3T is 5T equal to 30. I'm going to divide both sides by 5 here. T is equal to 6, right? So what does that mean? It's 6 hours, right? And so write our final answer in a complete sentence here. So it will take Tara and Carly 6 hours to complete the puzzle working together.